beep, beep, beep. Back up that truck. Back up that truck. Hey everyone, it's Andrew.
And JC.
And today we're doing something a little different. We're going to be inviting you to the first ever annual Ratchet OSCARS Tea Party. I burned my throat. There's no sugar in this tea. We'll be back after we,
after these messages.
Welcome everyone to the Ratchet Tea Party. I am your co-host, Andrew Beard, and...
I am the other co-host, JC.
Our Oscar-winning picture, Birdman. He's gonna tell us what he thought about Birdman.
He likes to eat birds.
So, Tiger, what do you think about Birdman? He can eat what he wants to eat. He's our special guest. Why aren't you listening?
He has nothing to say. He must have not watched it either.
Let's skip right into Selma.
I didn't watch that one either.
I didn't see that one either.
Why? We saw Whiplash.
So, Whiplash.
I'm dying, hold on. People got some Lego Oscars. I want one.
I want the real Oscar.
What's in the tea? That's what I want to know.
Something good. I see in black and white.
Let's just throw that out in the outside. Just throw it. Maybe on the cat or something.
I like to have marshmallows in my tea. Would you like one?
No, thank you. Let's add some confetti in that.
I can't even drink this now. I for real can't even drink this crap.
You couldn't drink it before anyway.
I did. I think someone laced it. Anyway, let's just get down to the nitty gritty. Whiplash should have won Best Picture. Grand Budapest won like 10 awards.
Including Best Soundtrack.
Including Creepiest Movie of the Year award. Oh, and J.K. Simmons won Best Actor. Supporting actor. He was awesome.
We're trying to be dignified.
Do you want some more tea? Why did you put that there?
Anyway, well, this tea is inedible, as you can now see.
Inedible and drinkable. Join us as we go to Starbucks and get some actual tea. So we couldn't handle our tea. It was kind of disgusting. We just had a quick wardrobe change.
And now we're turning a corner.
And this is JC. We're gonna host the Oscars next year.
Move over, Ellen, and what's his name? Neil Patrick Harris.
Neil Patrick Harris.
We forgot his name because he's not even that important because we are it. We're it. High five, bro.
Okay, it's brighter than my soul. So bright. Calm down. We're the hosts. The camera follows us. We have to be British.
Oh no.
Do you carry any British tea? Does that sound convincing? I would like the tea in the Boston Tea Party. Do you carry any of that? Who are you wearing, Mystical?
I am wearing Chanel.
Dang!
Lupita's got nothing on these pearls. These are real. These are pink freshwater pearls. Yep.
Freshwater.
Yep.
Good afternoon, welcome to Starbucks. What can we get started for today?
Do you have any British tea?
Any what?
British tea?
Birthday people?
What kind of teas do you have?
Iced tea, we have black iced tea, green, and passion. And then we have hot tea, which is our Royal English Breakfast tea, Earl Grey, Okra Chai. And then we have our green tea with Emperor Cloud, Jade Citrus Mint Majesty. And then we have our herbal tea, passion, peach tranquility, pineapple cone.
Can I actually get a caramel macchiato, no foam with whip?
And can I get a small hot chocolate? And this is Andrew picking up some nominated movies to watch. Oh, that one doesn't work, it looks like. Anyway, another news. Here's my Oscar nails. He's really wearing some classy, I don't even know, costume. Zoom in. I'm getting some very interesting looks from the bystanders. Oh, he got nothing. You got nothing?
They didn't have any of the Oscar movies!
No!
They had the box trolls.
Oh, we don't really want to.
And that was it.